Sexual desire in men is often shaped by a variety of biological factors that drive this fundamental human need. While culture, psychology, and individual personality play roles in shaping one's attitude toward sex, there are strong biological foundations that explain why many men crave sex. Understanding these biological reasons can provide insights into male behavior, relationship dynamics, and even health. Here's a closer look at some of the core biological factors behind men's natural craving for sex. 1. The role of testosterone. Testosterone is the primary male hormone, and it plays a major role in driving sexual desire in men. Produced mainly in the testes, testosterone affects everything from muscle mass to energy levels and libido. High levels of testosterone are associated with a stronger sex drive, and men generally have much higher testosterone levels than women, which explains why they tend to crave sex more frequently. Research shows that testosterone increases during adolescence, which is often when males start to experience heightened sexual interest. This hormone helps to trigger physical and psychological changes that make men more attuned to sexual stimuli. Dr. Abraham Morgentaler, a leading expert on men's health, notes that testosterone doesn't just influence the desire for sex but also the motivation to pursue it, making it a powerful force in male sexuality. 2. The evolutionary drive for reproduction. From an evolutionary perspective, the craving for sex has a practical purpose: reproduction. Throughout human history, men who had a strong desire for sex were more likely to father children and pass on their genes. In this sense, sexual desire is a survival mechanism. Biologically, men are hardwired to seek opportunities to reproduce, ensuring the continuation of the species. This natural impulse contributes to why many men feel a drive for sex that goes beyond individual choice. The evolutionary drive for reproduction is also linked to men's desire to seek out multiple sexual partners, a pattern observed across many species. From a purely biological standpoint, having numerous offspring increases the chances of genetic survival. While modern society no longer demands this behavior, the evolutionary underpinnings of male sexual desire persist, making men naturally inclined to seek sexual experiences. 3. The brain and dopamine, the feel-good hormone. The brain's reward system is central to sexual craving. When men experience sexual arousal or orgasm, the brain releases dopamine, a feel-good hormone associated with pleasure and satisfaction. Dopamine reinforces the desire to repeat actions that bring pleasure, including sex. For men, the dopamine surge experienced during sexual activity can create a feedback loop that makes them crave more of it. This reward system in the brain means that sexual experiences become associated with positive feelings, making men more likely to seek out sex to experience that reward. Over time, dopamine can turn sexual desire into a craving, as the brain becomes conditioned to anticipate and seek the pleasure associated with intimacy. Dr. Helen Fisher, a biological anthropologist, points out that dopamine's role in the reward system is critical to understanding male sexuality because it links sexual activity with positive reinforcement. 4. Physical and psychological health benefits. The health benefits of sex are another biological factor contributing to male desire. Regular sexual activity has been linked to numerous physical and mental health benefits, from improved heart health and immune function to better mood and stress relief. When men engage in sex, they experience a release of endorphins and oxytocin, hormones that reduce stress, improve mood, and foster feelings of closeness with a partner. For many men, the psychological relaxation and physical relief provided by sex can make it an appealing activity, particularly in high-stress situations. Dr. Laura Berman, a relationship therapist, notes that sex often serves as an effective stress reliever for men, which can contribute to their overall sense of well-being. The physical health benefits of sex reinforce a biological craving for it, as it helps men feel healthier and more balanced. 5. Sexual desire as a form of self-expression. While often viewed as psychological, sexual desire as a form of self-expression also has a biological basis. Sexuality is a fundamental aspect of human identity, shaped by hormones and neurological pathways. Men may crave sex as a way to feel more fully themselves, using sexual experiences as a way to express aspects of their personality, confidence, and even creativity. The hormones involved in sex, like testosterone and dopamine, help men experience a sense of self-fulfillment, further driving their desire for sexual experiences. 6. Bonding and intimacy. The role of oxytocin. Although oxytocin is often associated with maternal bonding, it also plays a significant role in male sexual desire. Oxytocin, released during intimate contact and sexual climax, creates feelings of closeness and attachment. For men, sexual activity can strengthen their emotional bonds with a partner, making them more likely to seek out and crave intimate connections. Biologically, oxytocin serves as a bonding hormone, encouraging men to establish emotional connections through physical intimacy. This release of oxytocin not only enhances relationship satisfaction but also reinforces the desire to experience sex as a way to foster intimacy and closeness. Dr. Paul Zak, a neuroeconomist known for studying oxytocin, states that this hormone's influence on bonding is powerful, helping to explain why men often view sex as an integral part of their romantic relationships. Men's craving for sex is a complex interplay of biology, brain chemistry, evolution, and health. Testosterone and dopamine drive desire, while oxytocin fosters bonding and intimacy, making sex a unique experience that combines physical satisfaction with emotional connection. By understanding the biological reasons behind men's desire for sex, we can appreciate the broader role it plays in men's lives, relationships, and well-being. Recognizing these factors can also help couples navigate intimacy with greater understanding, fostering healthier, more fulfilling relationships for both partners.